I started an AI dropshipping store from zero. No inventory, no experience, no team. By day 7, $847 revenue, $312 profit. Here's exactly what I did and how you copy it. You list products online. Someone buys. Supplier ships direct. You never touch stock. AI handles research, copy, ads, and pricing automatically. Your job is to set up the system once and let it run. Day 1 took 4 hours and cost nothing. Shopify free trial, ChatGPT for niche research, AutoDS for suppliers, Canva AI for branding. The entire launch stack was free. Laptop plus internet connection. That's all you need. I gave ChatGPT one prompt: trending niche, low competition, high margins, repeat purchases. It returned 8 options with data. I chose pet accessories. $5 billion market, 12% annual growth, margins up to 72%. AutoDS AI scanned AliExpress for products with 4.5 stars minimum, under $20 to source, trending volume. 12 candidates in 22 minutes. Top 3 imported with 1 click. Average margin, 76%. Day 3, 9:47 a.m., first sale, $34. Pet bed, 0 paid ads. Pure organic traffic from AI-generated SEO listings. Someone found the store on Google and bought. Proof the system works before spending on ads. One ChatGPT prompt generated 5 Facebook ad variants. Launched all 5 at $10 a day. By end of day 3, variant 3 had 3.4 ROAS. Killed the other 4. Moved all budget to the winner. Day 5, the algorithm found its audience. Revenue up 274%. I rewrote the product description using the winning ads language. Conversion rate jumped from 1.8 to 4.2% overnight. Day 6 brought 11 customer messages. I set up Tidio AI chatbot trained on my FAQ and supplier policies. It handled 91% automatically, 8-second average response time, 0 hours spent on support. Final numbers: revenue, $847, ad spend, $280, product costs, $198, fees, $56, net profit, $312. Real, documented, repeatable, built in 1 week with no inventory and no prior experience. Full stack monthly cost: Shopify, $29, ChatGPT plus $20, AutoDS free tier, Tidio free tier, Meta ads from $10 a day, Canva AI free. Total fixed overhead under $50. Everything else is return on investment. Don't pick a niche you like. Pick one where customers already spend emotionally. Pets, babies, fitness, home. Then filter for trending demand, low competition, and high margin. Those 3 together find a niche that sells itself. The exact prompt I used is on screen. Copy it, swap the niche, run it. Validate results on Google Trends and AliExpress reviews before importing. Works with GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. Full prompt is free in the description. Full store in 1 afternoon. Shopify Dawn theme, no code. AI written descriptions from ChatGPT. Images from Canva AI. Suppliers via AutoDS. The checklist is on screen. Follow it in order. Don't skip step 6, the chatbot. Start at $10 a day. 3 ad variants, same audience, 3 days. Kill the 2 losers. Scale the winner to 25. If ROAS holds above 3 on day 5, go to 50. Never scale faster than your data supports. Day 4, my ad account got flagged, lost 18 hours. Fix: warm up new accounts with 48 hours of low-budget awareness before conversion campaigns. Also, always set a backup supplier in AutoDS for every product you list. Week 1 ends around $312 profit. Week 2 with better data hits $680. Week 3 scaling reaches $1,240. Week 4 with compound algorithm learning, over $2,000. Conservative estimates based on the actual trajectory I recorded. This works if you have 2 to 3 hours a day for the first month and $200 to $500 to test ads. It does not work if you expect profit in week 1 or want passive income from day 1. First 4 weeks are active, then systems take over. Day 1, Shopify, niche research, domain. Day 2, AutoDS, import products, AI descriptions. Day 3, launch store, warm meta account. Day 4, 3 ad variants, install chatbot. Day 5, kill losers, rewrite winner copy. Day 6, scale to $25 per day. Day 7, review P&L, plan week 2. If this saved you weeks of trial and error, hit like. Subscribe to Compound Machine for weekly AI and money breakdowns. Drop your niche in the comments. I reply to everyone in the first 24 hours. Full guide link is in the description.